Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you had a blessed day. I know I did. So, I want to welcome you all to my channel, Your Financial Freedom Matters. And if you're new to the channel, I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay? So, I know in my previous videos I've been talking about the opportunities, that I'm a part of. With one of my opportunities, you have the ability to make $100 commissions for over and over. Not only that, but you guys get paid to generate leads. So whenever somebody visits your website and they enter their email address, you get paid for that because that's considered a lead. That's the first business. Okay, we're going to get into what it's called and how it works. The second business is where it's a digital marketing training platform where you will learn how to market your own online business, how to start an online business with the training of YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay, I've already went through the trainings from this opportunity. It is amazing. You guys really, if you decide to go with that opportunity, the trainings for Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram on that platform are amazing. I've already went through them. You guys really, if you decide to go with that opportunity, I would look into the trainings for Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. They're amazing. Okay, so here we are on my website I created. I just want you guys to be able to, not only get in contact with me, but to be able to get if I make a video on YouTube, I want you guys to be able to, take a look at my opportunity, not only from a link but from a website. So there's two ways this can happen. You guys can you'll be able to get to this website through a link, and you'll be able to visit the opportunities just by clicking on these buttons. Like this opportunity here is called $25 one up, okay? And with $25 one up, it is a digital marketing training platform, okay? And you have the opportunity to earn from $25 commissions all the way up to $1,000 commissions, okay? They have the gold level, the platinum, the diamond, the enterprise, and the elite. 5 levels. The first level is the gold level, which is $25, you can earn $25 commissions with the gold level. The platinum level, you can earn $100 commissions over and over. The diamond level, you can earn up to $250 commissions. The enterprise level, you can earn up to $500 commissions. And the elite level, you can earn up to $1,000 commissions, okay? So that's basically how $25 one up works. And when you purchase, every level you purchase, you own the reseller rights to that level. So if you purchase the gold level, you are now able to go and resell that product for $25 be able to earn $25 commissions over and over. Okay. Now I'm gonna be upfront with you guys because I told you I'm gonna be upfront and honest with you. These two opportunities I'm talking to you about, there is a fee to come aboard, but it's a very inexpensive. It's not that expensive, okay? So for $25 one up to come in at the gold level, it's going to be $25 plus a $10 hosting fee, which is going to be $35. You guys, this is a very low, inexpensive fee, okay? The $10 hosting fee pays for everything in your back office, from your funnel pages to, pays for everything basically, okay? So that's the gold level, all right? So say you want to upgrade to the platinum level. The platinum level is $100 plus $25 plus $10. So that's $135 you have to pay. So you guys will have to not only purchase the gold, but purchase the platinum. You will not be able to earn $100 commissions unless you purchase the platinum along with the gold. So once you purchase the gold level, you should automatically upgrade to the platinum and purchase that, so you can be able to earn not only $25 commissions but 100. Okay. If you decide to come in at the diamond, enterprise, or elite, you will get the gold and platinum for free. You will not have to pay for the gold and platinum. They will be free if you decide to come in at any of the higher levels. So just keep that in mind, okay? And you will be able to earn overrides on the higher levels as well. Okay, so we're going to get into that when I do the videos on $25 one up. Okay, so that's the first opportunity. Okay, the second opportunity we're going to talk about here is called Abundance Network. Okay, I've made videos on this on my YouTube channel, and you guys can check out those videos once you subscribe to my channel and you check those videos out. Okay, so Abundance Network is a automated phone system that basically does all the selling and telling for you, okay? It's a robot named Ava who does everything for you, okay? All you have to do is promote the phone number, okay? How many of you want to get paid for just promoting a phone number? Not only that, but every time someone calls the number and they enter their email address, you get paid for that lead. So if you get 5 people to call the number, that's $500, you guys. It's $100 per commission every time someone does, not only enters their phone number, but if they sign up to become a reseller with Abundance Network. There's 2 levels. There's a reseller level and there's a master reseller level. Okay? The reseller level is $150 to come in at one time. It's a one-time payment, and then it's going to be, I believe, $50 a year to keep your everything up and running. And then for the master reseller, it's $500 to come in at, and you earn $500 commissions. Okay? So basically, Abundance Network is $150 to come in at as a reseller, and you pay $50 a year fee. $50 a year you pay for the reseller level. For the master reseller membership, you pay $500 and you get to earn $500 commissions. Okay, so basically, all you're doing is you're calling the phone number and you're letting Ava walk you through it. You enter your email and you go ahead and you sign up. You get your phone number. You get all registered. And after that, you take your phone number, you go market it on YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want to market your phone number at. When someone calls that number and lets Ava walk them through the steps, when they enter their email, you get paid for that lead. You get paid that just for that. Even if they don't purchase anything, you guys, you get paid for that. Not only that, but if they continue and let Ava walk them through and they sign up and they pay their $150, you get paid $100 for that person. You not only get $100 commissions, but you get paid for that lead. So imagine that. You get paid even if they don't buy anything. Let that meditate for a minute. You guys, there's never been an opportunity out here this simple and easy to promote. I've been looking for something like this that's automated. Let me just say this. Okay. I have had, let's see. I've had 5 jobs, you guys. 5 9 to 5 jobs. I'm just going to tell you. I worked at Little Caesars as a cashier. I worked at Taco Bell as a cashier. I worked at Carl's Jr. as a cashier. I worked online for a company called Contract World. If those of you are interested in that, you can work online as a order entry agent where you take orders online like a KFC, Pizza Hut. I did that, but I was not happy. Okay, so I've already done the 9 to 5, and it's not something that I even want to do. Honestly, I'm happier trying to help you guys make money online. Okay, this is where my passion is. I love making videos, and I'm going to bring you guys even more content to help you start up. Like if you want to start up a Facebook fan page, if you want to start up YouTube, I'm going to be bringing you guys videos to help you guys, get that situated. And also, if you want to learn how to do this website I created, I'll teach you that as well. I mean, this is stuff I had to learn along the way, you guys. I didn't have a sponsor when I first came on. I didn't have a sponsor. I learned all this stuff on my own. I did a lot of market research. I did a lot of research online on YouTube. Watched YouTube. I was on YouTube learning how about YouTube. That's crazy, I know. I was on YouTube learning about how to promote YouTube. I learned how to promote Facebook from YouTube. I learned how to promote I'm still learning on how to promote Instagram from YouTube, you guys. So I'm an Instagram beginner on how to market on Instagram, but the more I learn, more stuff I'll bring you guys. So don't think that, I'll be bringing you guys a lot of content. It's a lot of value. You guys just get ready because I'm gonna be doing a lot. Okay, so basically with Abundance Network, you guys get paid to promote a phone number and you get paid for your leads, okay? So I've created this website so you guys will be able to follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube and Instagram. My YouTube channel, you can subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I have a Facebook fan page you can follow me on, and an Instagram page. You can sign up for $25 one up on here and Abundance Network. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care, you guys.